So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the text size of some text here in Google Slides. So once you have Google Slides opened up on your device, first off, add some text to your document. So we're going to go to the top here, press on the plus icon, then press on where it says text, and we're just going to type in the word edit text just for simplicity's sake. So as you can tell, it's actually quite small at the moment, so it's a pretty simple fix. What I want you to do is press on the text right here. At this top bar, there's a whole bunch of different options here. There's the forward back key, there's the play, there's that A with the underline. Simply just go ahead and press on that. So right in between the plus arrow and the play button, press on the A with the underline at the top. Then where it says size right here, simply just press on the plus arrow right here, and you can make the text as large or as small as you want, playing around with it, whatever you guys wish. That is completely up to you, but pretty much a straightforward process. That's how you guys can edit the text size of some text here in Google Slides. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.